Hi students, MCQ number 7. Consider a compound slab consisting of two different materials having equal thickness and thermal conductivities are K and 2K in series. Two rods are connected in series. The equivalent conductivity of the slab has to be determined. So for this, there is a formula. Okay, before that we will write the thermal conductivity of the first material is equal to what? K, and the second material it is equal to twice K. It is given like this. Now K equivalent direct formula if you apply means K equivalent is 2 times K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. So this is the expression which you have derived in the regular class. So applying this formula, K equivalent must be equal to 2 into, instead of K1 you substitute K, instead of K2 you substitute 2K. So divided by K1 plus K2. So this is K plus 2K. So now in the numerator 2 into 2, 4. So 4K square divided by K plus 2K is 3K. So this power 2 and K get cancelled, remaining therefore we get K equivalent is equal to 4 by 3 times K. So this is the answer. So which is the right option? Option D is 4 by 3 K. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Okay. So directly use the numerical formula required for this and solve the problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.